Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about specifically about the crypto, as I'm seeing a lot of content makers around these days making videos about cryptos, about the pumps and the dumps. But I personally believe that this is not the fact. That's not how the market moves. You gotta have an on-chain analysis to see what's actually going on below the bulk. You know, the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and everything you see in your everyday. A lot of the traders just talk about the technical indicators and all, but I believe that there is a lot more which you need to consider before investing your money. Let me give you a small disclaimer before we start our video that I'm not your financial advisor. This video is just for the entertainment and information purposes. So please invest according to your own beliefs. Okay, so let's start. We have seen that the Ether merge has gone live, and the price of the Ether just fell after that. Isn't that crazy? We all were expecting that the price is gonna get a boom, but the price dropped. Okay, so what we're gonna do in this situation? I think this is the right time to accumulate, and I'm seeing that the Bitcoin will get dropped to 14K level. I mean, it's not something you could say for sure that no one can figure out where the bottom is, but this is my expectation. It could be 16K, it could be 15K, or even it can be 6K. It's just my opinion, and I don't want you to take any sort of decisions according to my opinion. You could just have my advice in your brain, process it, and do your own research to see how the market is actually going to respond to the things going around. And the inflation rate is on the raise. I mean, interest rate is rising, and recession is hitting the economy. Stocks have crashed. So what to expect? I think this is, first things first. You gotta understand that crypto is not going anywhere. If someone is telling you that it's a bubble and it's gonna burst and it's gonna go to zero, no. But if you're talking about the old coin, the old crypto market, then I'm not sure which coin you're talking about, and it might go to zero and maybe vanish from this whole crypto ecosystem. But let's just talk about the Bitcoin and the Ethereum right now. Ethereum is the king of the altcoins, and the Bitcoin is king itself in the whole crypto. There is no introduction required for the mechanism of Bitcoin, so it can never vanish. That's something for very sure. Okay, so now we know that's never gonna go away. So now we just need to invest in the right profit at the right time to see what's actually coming. If you invest at the right time, if you find the bottom, I think it's gonna go up to the moon. So you gotta understand where the bottom is, how to figure it out. So to do that, we'll consider blockchain analysis, on-chain analysis. This on-chain analysis, it is a little different thing, but it's different from your technical analysis, different from your sentimental analysis, and different from all other sentimental factors going in the market. So how do we find how and what to do in on-chain analysis? Well, today I'll show the Glassnode professional account charts, which you need to pay $10,000 for a year to just get that information. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let me explain you what is on-chain analysis. When you send money to someone through a bank, through a wire transfer, through a Cash App, there is that is centralized data. Only Cash App server or the bank. I mean, let's suppose you're banking a wire transfer from your Chase account. Only the Chase will have that information, or the other account where you're gonna get the money, right? Okay, so on the blockchain, the system is a little different. You can see the transaction rates for the public record. So what we're gonna do over here, the on-chain analysis, see how many Bitcoin addresses are active. If the money is floating from the wallets to the exchange, it means if someone is sending the money from the BTC from the wallet to exchange, it means that they're gonna sell. And if someone is gonna buy the BTC and transferring from Bitcoin exchange to the wallet, it means they're gonna hold. They're gonna hodl it. So it gives you an indication, right? But wait, that's not all. There is another thing we need to consider: profit and loss. Unrealized profit and loss balances of exchanges. Okay, let me tell you what that is. Okay, so you see that you took a trade at 18,800, and now the Bitcoin is at $21,000. There is a profit, but that is unrealized profit. It will be realized profit once you book it. But you're very optimistic and you think it's gonna go up. You don't book that profit, you don't make that realized profit. So that is your unrealized profit. Same goes for the unrealized loss. You took a trade at 18,800 and the market is, you took a long trade and the market is dipping more. It's at 18,200, but your analysis says that, it's just gonna go to 18,200. That's it. Then it's gonna take a V-shaped recovery. It's gonna reverse. So you'll hold that. You want to realize that profit. That's your unrealized profit, right? So we see different scales that if the investors are in euphoria and fear and extreme fear, it's not that sentimental indicator. No, that's not gray and fade index. No, not at all. This is an entirely different thing. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I'll make another video and explain this topic. If you like it, just do like the video, comment and share the video, and I'll make a detailed video about it. And if you'd like, I'll give you daily analysis on Glassnode professional charts, which is for $10,000 in a year. You don't need to pay it. I'll do it for you. If you like it, just hit the like button, share my video and comment it. I'll do it. Thank you. See you soon.